Man, look at this one. Wow.
I like the black border.
I can't believe how big this one is, man. This thing's got to be, what, 70, 80 feet long? I mean, wow.
Might be a 72.
This one's a big one.
Very farmhousey. Alright, I'm gonna guess 28.
How many square feet you think it is?
28.
2,800?
No, this 28.
Oh, 28 wide.
72. That's my guess.
Man, look at all the windows on this thing, man. Lots of natural light. Holy moly.
Wait, this is the back?
Yeah, this is the back. This is beautiful. I love all these windows.
No door.
No door on the back. Huh.
What? Wait a minute.
There's going to be a side door then. I didn't even pay attention.
There's one door right here. So.
Oh, there. No, there's no door on this side.
No, in the front.
On the front, you got a door.
Kind of across from here. Is the. Yeah, right there.
Wow. Let's see if there's another door.
Yeah, this one may have locked, but it's wider in one of the windows then.
Well, you got electrical outlet out here. Yeah, that's cool.
That looks like a bathroom or closet window.
Yeah, that's gotta be a bathroom.
There you go.
So you got a side door here. Okay. Pretty neat.
Your mud room.
So y'all, this home is called the Booyah. This home is built by Scottbilt Homes out of Waycross, Georgia. You guys, this is a 28 foot by 80 foot long, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,976 square feet. Pretty large size home. All pricing and information will be at the tail end of the video. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. Let's all head on inside. All right, you guys, we got a treat for you here. This home is humongous. You guys are gonna like this one. All right, where do we start at?
Kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Wow.
Wow, this one's big. You guys, I have never personally been in this home, so this is all new to me too.
Yeah.
So this is a treat.
Oh my gosh. I can't go any further.
What? You don't go any further. Stay with me, because Amanda's never seen it either. But she's looking at that kitchen. But let me do this first. We're gonna work our way over there. So here is your living area, and that, I'm guessing, is the master. But we're gonna stay out here. All right, stop spinning around, Dan. Focus. Here we go. Here we go, guys.
I like the windows.
Because I'm excited too. Amanda's pointing out the windows.
Yeah, dining room windows?
This is the one, I'm telling you, you just seen the outside of it. All the windows that we had on the outside. Now you see where they're all going. Mm-hmm. Tons of windows. Come here in the kitchen. What the heck is this? Is this a... Are we in the cafeteria? Is this a refrigerator? Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
This is a refrigerator, folks.
It's a fridge and a freezer.
Wow.
Holy cow. Wow. That's huge.
We need that for our house.
Look at this.
That's humongous.
Man.
Check out these cabinets here. Nice cabinets. Oh, soft close.
You were about to stop it too.
I was about to. Nice.
This is cute. A little barn door.
I really like this kitchen. Nice backsplash.
I do like that backsplash. Real tile.
Here's your island here. It's got outlets on it.
Microwave. That's pretty neat. Different.
Farm sink. Stainless steel dishwasher.
Outlets. Always a bonus.
I like these drawers. I like having drawers that pull out in the kitchen. Nice outlet. Beautiful kitchen, y'all. All right, let's continue on. We're going to head down this hallway.
That's a long hallway. Holy moly.
It's a big house. I see barn doors here. Where are they
I
going?
know.
Let's check out what's in this barn door. Wow. It's a pantry. Oh, my goodness.
Oh my god.
Wow. This is huge.
Oh my goodness.
That is humongous, guys.
Okay, I can't.
I gotta look at these barn doors here. So that closes off that little pantry area.
Yep, and that just hides.
Yep. It's tied off for shipping purposes right now, so we can't open it or close it. All right, let's go into this room. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 is very good size. Looks like we're having a Jack and Jill bathroom in there. We're gonna get to that in a minute. Good size closet.
It's already taped and textured.
Yeah, this whole house is tape and textured.
Got trim.
9-foot ceilings, crown molding, trim everywhere. Beautiful home. All right, let's go into this Jack and Jill bathroom here. Got your shower tub combo.
That's a big tub.
Yeah, it is. Good sized tub. Extra wide. For all the extra wide folks. Dan, that's not very nice. Have you looked in the mirror? I'm an extra wide folks myself.
For all the kids.
No, I'm just kidding, y'all. I could stand to lose some weight.
Oh, my little square sinks.
This is nice.
It is.
I like this Jack and Jill. That's a good idea. So that way if you got kids growing up, you know, they can share a bathroom. They each got their own sink.
That's what I'm looking at.
Yeah, it's nice. Because right over here, I believe it's an identical room to the one we just came out of. Bedroom number 2. Look at that. Standard size closet.
More windows. These are good windows too.
And then bedroom number 2. When you open up the door to go out, I think we're going to be in another living room. All right, let me go back. Let's go back the same way. Don't want to confuse anybody. It's a very large home, y'all. All right, now we're back out to that pantry area. And this is a second little sitting room, a den. This is nice.
Very nice.
So is that bedroom I just came out of?
Yep, this is the second bedroom.
All right, so that's your second bedroom. All right, so coming down, you got the pantry there, first bedroom, second bedroom. In between, there's a bathroom. Okay, just so everybody, we're all on the same page here. So now we are looking at this little sitting room. 2 nice windows. You got your fan. Little hangout room for the kids, for the teenagers.
That's a very nice room.
Yep.
We're not even, are we halfway in there?
All right, what's down here then? Bedroom number 3.
It's still a good size.
Yeah. Good size room back here for bedroom number 3.
Corner closet.
And then back here, you got your back door. What's here? This your breaker box? Sure is. Your electrical panels there, 200 amp. Laundry room.
Yeah, washer dryer connections.
What's this door?
There's a door.
Another bathroom.
What?
It's a full bath too.
Wow.
Wow, I didn't expect that. I thought it was gonna be like a closet or something.
Oh my goodness.
There you got a whole nother bathroom back here. That's crazy. So that's awesome, man. If you're for the back door, you know, if you got like a porch back there going out to a pool or something,
Yeah.
come right in here and change.
It's like your mud bathroom, almost.
Really nice. Yeah, that worked out good. Yep,
So,
that back door there, you could have like I just said, a deck going out to a pool or something. Come in, change.
that's almost like this one's own bathroom, because then two share a bathroom.
This is nice.
This is really good.
All right, let's go check out that master. If everything else adds up, this master has to be
Exquisite.
yes. One more look over here. I didn't stand in this corner, and I like to keep y'all waiting. You guys, just take a look at this house. What do you guys think this home goes for?
This is beautiful.
All right, here we go. Master bedroom. Not as big as I thought it was going to be. Still pretty big room. Oh, she's shutting the door. It is pretty big, though.
It's a very good size room.
Good size, but honestly, I thought it was going to be a lot bigger. Let me get over here in this corner with you. Or like this. Come here.
What? It's still a very good size room, though. Oh my.
What?
I can't walk your head no more.
Oh my goodness. Is this the bathroom? This ain't the bathroom. This is a closet. Woo! My goodness.
Expect this. Wow.
You guys, I just found the closet that every woman wants. Look at this thing. You got drawers.
So you even got a little sitting bench.
That's nice. They're soft clothes.
Oh my goodness.
Got a window up there. Let me get over here. Just to show you guys how big this closet is. This thing's humongous.
Wow. I get more and more surprised. Ready?
All right, we're ready. Dun dun dun. Whoa.
Ready.
This is a good looking restroom. I would say this is a restroom. This is a bathroom, y'all.
Look at all those drawers.
You got enough drawers?
Do you?
I love the drawers that pull out because that's what you need, man. We need drawers like this. Beautiful. Soft close.
Man.
Are these soft closed? Soft
Yeah.
close. I like the soft close.
Fancy.
Those mirrors, they look like they're on a track. Are they not? Or am I just...
Oh.
What's behind that?
Wait a minute.
It's a medicine cabinet.
What?
I did not know about that, folks. I just seen the tracks. I was like, look like they're on tracks.
These modular mobile homes, they've come a long way.
Yeah.
They've come a long way, guys.
This is beautiful. What's behind the other one? Same thing? Another,
Oh yeah, we have our place for our colognes, our perfumes.
Open that baby up all the way. Show us what's in there. Nice little cubby hole.
That is nice.
Put your medicines and stuff that go back there.
Stuff you want to hide. That is cool.
This is really nice. All right, you also got your big tub here.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I could fit in there. It looks nice, but I don't know if I could fit. I'm a pretty big boy. You guys want to see me get in there?
Well, we have to like fill it.
Tell me in the comments if you want to see me get in there. All right. If I don't see any yeses, I'm not getting in. I'll give you guys a couple minutes to tell me. Look at this shower, though.
That's a pretty shower, too. Real tile.
Wow. You got a toilet. All right, you want to hold this? I'm pretty sure they probably want to see me get in.
Alright,
All right, guys.
we're testing it.
Here we go. How do I get in this thing? I'm gonna break it. What'd you do if it just went? Ah! That's what I really needed. It actually is comfortable. If it was full of water, it'd be pretty good. Me though, I'm the type I'd get in here and the water would just overflow. I can't get up.
I'm pretty sure you gotta uncrisscross your legs.
I didn't say I was gonna show them me getting up. That should have been a thing. If you guys want to see me get up out of that. All right, that was fun. You guys, that was fun. We like having fun here. So anyways, if you guys are enjoying these, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. That really helps us out. Hope you guys are enjoying these tours.
Oh,
Ooh,
man.
you can dim the light switches.
Fancy.
That's cool. Yeah.
That is fancy stuff.
But anyways, we will see you guys on the next one. Bye. So this home is built by Scottbilt Homes, also known as Champion Homes. It's built out of Waycross, Georgia. I will leave some local dealer contact information in the description. The current price of this home at the time of recording is $189,000. That price includes setup, delivery, skirting, steps, and AC. Thanks y'all for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.